Can I be straight up honest with you? Teaching grammar can feel scarier for some than a haunted house. But what if you could get your students to beg you to play grammar games? With Halloween just around the corner, I'm going to share 5 Halloween-themed grammar activities so fun your students won't even realize they're learning. Ooh, and please stick around till the end. The last one gives goosebumps to my students, but in a good way. Alright, let's begin with a classic called Grammar Auction. But of course, we're keeping it spooky here. Write up cursed sentences on the board, some grammatically correct and others not. Give your students some fake money or even better, Halloween candy coins. Next, they bid on whichever sentences they think are correct. The twist, if they buy an incorrect sentence, their team loses candy. Here's why it works. This activity actually turns grammar correction into an interactive guessing game, which also gets your students talking about the grammar point. Incredible. It is social, it's competitive, and it is also hilarious. Here's a pro tip. Throw in a bit of a mystery round where all the sentences are from Halloween songs or stories. Next up, Roleplay Relay. Personally, I think roleplays just work magic. Here's how this one works. Split your class into small teams. Give each team a Halloween-y type role. Witches, ghosts, vampires, mad scientists, Frankensteins. Whatever works. Each team gets a grammar challenge, like using modal verbs to give advice. For example, you should stir the potion 3 times before midnight. Then they pass the script to the next team who continues the story, keeping the grammar rule consistent. Here's why it works. It's creative, fast-paced, and makes grammar context-based. Also works perfectly for mixed level classes. Here are my tips, and I've got 2 pro tips here. Number 1, add scary sound effects or slow, heart-beating background music to keep the energy suspenseful. Number 2, type the sentences up into AI and get it to spit out some images for a good laugh at the end, or to even create added writing homework. This third one is also a remix, a Halloween remix on a classic. Verb Charades. Write action verbs on paper. For example, scream, fly, chase, or howl. Have students act them out while others guess. The creepy catch. They've got to shout out the correct verb tense, like he screamed or they're flying. Here's why it works. It connects movement and grammar, which is great for those fully physical kinesthetic learners. Pro tip, pick whichever tense you'd like to focus on and use Halloween props. Capes, masks, or even vampiric teeth for extra ghastly giggles. Number 4, this one is cool, as it transforms your classroom into a mini haunted maze. Place Halloween objects around the room, pumpkin under a desk, a ghost behind a chair. Blindfold one student and their partner gives preposition-based instructions. Go around the cauldron, step over the spider. Here's why this one works. It is grammar in motion. Students internalize prepositions while laughing their way through the maze. Here's my pro tip. Time each pair for a competitive twist. Fastest team wins some candy. If you've got strong classroom management skills, try it in teams with 2 players blindfolded. And finally, sentence dice. Prepare dice with different prompts on each face. Subjects, verbs, and Halloween vocabulary. Students roll and build spooky sentences, like the mummy was dancing in the classroom. This is quite cool as you can focus on any grammar point you like. Tenses, adverbs, or adjectives, whatever works. This one is unpredictable, but also kind of visual, and while it is grammar practice, it can also simply feel like play. My tip, turn out the lights. Use glow-in-the-dark dice for Halloween week. Just try it. Your students will love it. So there you go. 5 grim grammar games turning your classroom from dreary to eerie. Remember, when grammar feels like a game, students learn faster and have way more fun, making language much more relatable. And if you want to build more classroom exercises like these, check out our TESOL courses, both online and offline at inspire-td.com. And if you do try one of these games, click like and comment below to let us know which one works best for you. I'm Warren from the Teacher Trainers channel, signing out. And as always, happy teaching.